Can you play that again?
Stop. Hold up. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show them a little body thing, body, 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 body. And shorty got the body, body. And shorty got the body,
Can you play that
show your
again?
little body, 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 body. Show them a little body thing, body, body, body. And shorty got the body, body.
What's up, prima donnas? Long time no see. I know, you guys. I have been gone for like a week and some change now. Let me just quickly explain myself. If you guys are not aware, Autumn just had her 4th birthday. So I did take some time off to celebrate my baby's birthday and just, you know, get everything ready because I did decide to throw her a party. I didn't get to vlog it, you guys, because I'm trying to invest in a vlog camera because I'm trying to get back into vlogging. So that's why I always tell you guys to follow me on Instagram. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, you guys got to see, you know, bits and pieces of her party. Another thing, I actually just came back from Washington, D.C. I did do a little vacation weekend getaway, and I was supposed to pre-film before my trip, you guys, but with everything going on, and so just know nothing went as planned. So I sincerely apologize to you guys for missing out for a whole entire week. I'm so happy to be filming, and a bitch is back better than ever. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a full glam transformation from start to finish. You guys, she came back from DC feeling real ill, not cute. My skin was dry, my hair is not done. I was just like not like feeling myself. So you guys, I had to, you know, do a little glow up real quick. Being that we are in the fall time, of course, I wanted to give you guys a fall glam look before I start jumping into all of my Halloween looks. So yes, you guys, Halloween looks are coming. I just have a few uploads before my Halloween series. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this fall look. I am obsessed, you guys. We did a cut crease and a vampy burgundy lip. You guys know I don't do bold lips, but it is bold lip season, so it's about that time. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then you already know what to do. Definitely keep on watching and definitely hit that subscribe button before you go. And until next time, guys, bye. Alright, beauties, jumping straight into voiceover. I told you guys I was looking hits, okay? DC got me looking washed. If y'all not aware, yes, I do wear glasses, you guys. I'm blind, okay? So let's take these glasses off, and yes, let's get this glow up started. So first things first, one thing that I know that my skin definitely needs a detox. I feel super dry and just not cute. So one thing that I know is definitely gonna do that. Oh, by the way, my nails are dumb cute. I got them done for Autumn's birthday, but anyways, yes, one thing that is going to help out my skin for sure, of course, is my Teemi detox mask. So thank you so much for Teemi for actually partnering with me in today's video. And as you guys can see, the truth is in the jar, okay? I use this so much. Like, it is one of my favorite masks, hands down, you guys, because it literally pulls out everything, and it's so easy to work with. I love the consistency, so I like to apply mine with a little brush. So, you know, a little spa moment, pamper yourself. And this mask is so amazing, like I said, because it is clay infused, so it does have green tea, so it's all vegan, all natural, so it doesn't have any harsh chemicals, anything crazy in it. But of course, my favorite part about this mask is that it just pulls out all that gunk and dirt out of my skin, and it literally gives my skin a brand new, fresh baby type of feel after I wash it off. So I'm just gonna let this sit. I'm gonna hop on Instagram. By the way, follow me at LesleyMarie1213. So yeah, I'm just gonna reply to emails, check my DMs while this mask dries. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to dry, and you'll know when it's dry because it will get lighter. And as you can see, literally your pores are pulling out all of that stuff that's in your pores, all the dirt, gunk, and everything. And as soon as you wash it off, you guys, you're gonna immediately see results. So now I want to hydrate my skin, and now I'm gonna go in with the Teemi Vitsy serum, my holy grail. You guys, I love this serum so much, and I'm gonna show you why. So all you need is one pump. It is like a gel consistency. I love the smell of it, but you guys, this stuff literally tightens, brightens, and makes your skin glow. Do y'all see that glow? Do y'all see that glow, sis? Like, literally, this is all I needed to literally rejuvenate my skin. So yeah, if you guys want to check out the Teemi detox mask and the serum, definitely check out the link down below, and I also have a coupon code. So yeah, now we could get this glam started. Moving on to brows, I just quickly did those off camera because not we will be here forever and a day, so I'm trying to save y'all some time. Moving on along, of course, with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2. I'm just going to quickly use this to prime our eyelids. And you already know the drill. Definitely tap this out. You do not want to swipe and disturb the base. Quickly, I am just going to hydrate my lips with the Milani Lip Sleeping Mask. This is kind of like a dupe for the Laneige one. So yeah, today's palette of choice is the ColourPop Sandstone palette. This is new to the ColourPop family, and I just felt like this was the perfect fall palette, you guys. And it's affordable, super easy to get your hands on, and I just feel like the tones in this like is just perfect for this time of year. So the first shade I'm going to be going into is the shade Quest Crew. Yes, and this is actually a matte, you guys, but it has some like micro glitters in it, but do not worry, it's not shimmery, you guys. It's still gonna look like a matte finish, but of course it does have that little glitter. But honestly, when you blend it out, the glitter kind of like fades away. But if you was to pack this color or any of the colors that have like the little micro glitters in them, like on your lid, you would definitely be able to see them, and it's so beautiful. So yeah, I kind of actually really like that formula in the ColourPop eyeshadows. But anyway, moving on to the shade Vortex, I am now gonna just blend out the previous color that we did. So sorry, I'm like not even explaining what I'm doing. So with the first shade, I kind of just mapped out my shape and just deepened up my outer corner. And now with the shade Vortex, we're just gonna give this a nice blend and basically get rid of that harsh line. And this is pretty much like the only two shadows that I used for my crease. So this look is actually really simple and really easy to recreate. So yeah, you just want to make sure you're blending out those harsh edges. Okay, wait, I lied. Okay, so now we're going into the shade Grounded. I'm actually going to deepen the crease up a bit. So of course you can leave it the way it was, but I wanted to add just a little bit more depth into the crease and the outer corner. So I'm just going to quickly do that. I hope you guys do appreciate these close-ups. Do you guys like when I do more close-ups when I'm doing the eyeshadow? Let me know down in the comments below, because definitely I would be able to do more close-ups for you guys. So anyway, now I'm going to move on to the P. Louise. This is the Acid Rain Mitchell blank canvas base. So this one is a little bit different than the Rumor 2 one that we used to prime our lids. This one is a little bit more on the thicker, drier side. So this one is more to cut the crease. You can use both of the P. Louise bases to cut the crease, but like I said, this formula is just a little bit different. I find this formula a little bit easier to create really sharp lines. So this is perfect, like I said, for a cut crease. And like I said, these bases are just so easy to work with, you guys. Like, look at how cut is that crease, girl. So yeah, once you got your cut crease all nice and set, now I'm gonna go back into the shade Grounded, and now I'm just gonna blend out those harder edges. What am I talking about? Those harsh edges, okay? We do not want no harsh edges in our look, sis, okay? So I'm just going to make sure that those outer corners are nice and blended. And now for our lid shade, I am going to take the shade Open Road. And in the pan, it actually looked more like a vanilla cream shade, but on my lid, it actually pulled more of like a light orangey nude, if that makes sense. And it was just so beautiful for fall, you guys. Like, I was so here for it. I was not mad at all. And this shade actually did have some of those micro glitters, but now since I'm packing it on my lid, you're actually able to see them a lot more. Now I am going to take the shade Vortex, my bad, and I'm just going to blend that in between the two warm shades, our lid and our outer corner. And you guys, that just gave such a softening, blended like effect. I loved it, you guys. So the shade Vortex is a little bit more on the cool tone side, and it just looked beautiful sandwiched right in between, like I said, my lid and my outer corner shade. Now I'm taking the darkest shade, which is Templeton in the palette, and I'm just using this to line my lash line. And this shade was so gorgeous, you guys. It's like a really dark cherry brown. It's so nice. So yeah, now last but not least is the lashes, and these ones are from Pink Leaf Cosmetics in the style Weed Queen. And you guys, these are so unique. They're like so wispy and like hairy, if I could say that. Like, they're like really fluttery, you guys. They're so nice. So yeah, if you guys also want, I do have a coupon code for these as well, so definitely check out the description box. And yeah, moving on to the face makeup, I am gonna take the Touch and Sew No Poreblem primer. That, you guys, this is like one of my favorite primers. Haven't used her in a while, so I knew that I wanted to definitely try out a new foundation, so we was not gonna play with a new primer, okay? So this is the Rare Beauty foundation from Selena Gomez, and mine is in the shade 210N. And you guys, definitely give this a good shake, because this foundation is super liquidy. So this is actually my first time playing with this foundation, you guys, and right off the bat I could say that I am obsessed. First impressions though, really quickly, I didn't think it was gonna have a lot of coverage, because it kind of threw me off of how liquidy it was. But girl, if you own this foundation and you ever tried it on your skin, you're gonna gag because it actually does have coverage. So yeah, I'm not sure more or less my oily skin girls how they feel about this. I'll ask over on my IG, but I know more my skin type is dry, and this looked so dewy and pretty on my skin. I was just like, wow. So the whole theme of Selena Gomez makeup line is to look, you know, really like lightweight, natural beauty, and I honestly felt like I didn't even have foundation on, but it does have coverage. That's how lightweight it is and just so natural and pretty looking. Like, it really looks like skin. So now I'm just gonna quickly contour with my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Abidjan. Oh, you guys, I hate saying that because I feel like I sound so retarded when I say it, but anyways, I'm just gonna quickly snatch this face, okay? Because I was just dying to contour and highlight my face, you guys. I haven't worn like a really beat like this in a while. Like I said, I just came back from a little vacation, so it's been a while since I did a full glam. So yeah, now I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes and highlight as well with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach. All the shade names to everything will be down in the description as well. And as you know already, this is my shit. I love this concealer so much. It blends like butter, bitch, and it has coverage. And yeah, this is just, like I said, this is just my shit. Enough said. So making sure all of that is nice and blended. There's no harsh lines on the face. Y'all already know how Prima Donna Nation do, bitch. We blend for the gods over here. So now I'm going to quickly set my concealer with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder in the shade Pound Cake. I haven't used this setting powder in a while. Y'all know I've been hooked on my e.l.f. one, so I was like, all right, let me just, you know, switch it up a bit because I get tired of using the same shit in every single video. So yeah, I like to switch it up here and there, but of course still keep some of my holy grail products, especially if I'm playing with some new stuff. So anyway, moving on to bronzer. This is the MAC Give Me Some bronzer. No surprise, you guys, I'm doing a bold lip today, okay? Cut me some slack. I would only think to put this bronzer on because I'm definitely going to need the warmth in my skin, especially because if you are more lighter skin, especially if you wear bold lips or like me, I feel like I look super pale every time I wear a bold lip. So I literally make sure I go ham with my bronzer and make sure my skin looks nice and warm. So for blush, this one is from ColourPop. This is actually the Wild Nothings collection blush, and this one is in the shade Wayfarer, I believe. It's such a pretty, like, warm orangey type of blush, perfect for fall. And now for highlight, I am going to take the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlight. Of course, perfect for fall as well because it is a really nice yellowy golden undertone. So yes, I feel like this is going to look so nice and complement the eyes really well. So because I am wearing a bold lip, I don't want to close off my eyes too much, so I am just going to actually open them up with the Benefit Highbrow Pencil. It's actually for your brows, but I like to use it in my waterline as an eyeliner. And then I am just going to add a little bit of smokiness to the outer corners, but like I said, only halfway because I don't want to completely close off my eyes. I do have more smaller eyes, so I don't like to have too much going on, especially with a bold lip. So like I said, I'm giving you a lot of tips and tricks in this look. Like I said, if you're not comfortable wearing more darker lip tones in the fall time, here are, like I said, some little tricks that you can do, especially highlighting your inner corner. A very bright inner corner, you guys, is also gonna brighten up the eyes and open them up as well. So yes, and I'm also highlighting my brow bone. So quickly finishing off the eyes with lower lash mascara, and now moving on to the lip. The star of the show, of course, is this lipstick. So really quickly, I am lining my lips with the Morphe lip liner. This one is in the shade Bar. It is like a really deep brown, but it does have a purpley reddish undertone. Went so perfect with the liquid lipstick that I am about to use. So my trick for any type of bold lip is definitely line your lips, you guys. Definitely line your lips and definitely fill your lips in with the liner. You can leave the center open like I'm doing, but definitely make sure you're filling in your lips because it also is gonna add it's gonna make your liquid lipstick look a lot more smoother. So this liquid lipstick that I'm using, this one is from ABONI Cosmetics. They did send this over to me, and this one is in the shade Temptress, which is actually a new color that they actually just launched. It's so unique, you guys. Like, it looks like it's still wet right now, so it is gonna dry down, but it definitely does have a really nice like burgundy plummy type of undertone, but then it looks brown. Like, it's just so beautiful. I love it. So yeah, as you guys can see, the lip fully dried down to a beautiful matte finish. I prefer my bold lips to be matte, and I'm just gonna quickly set my face with the Milani Make It Last. This one is the Dragon Fruit and Peach scent. This was my first time using it, you guys. It honestly just reminded me of fall because of the packaging. So yeah, now I'm hyped because I'm feeling myself, you guys. I'm just gonna quickly dry this setting spray with my little mini fan. I got my music blasted, you guys, and I am feeling this bold lip. Okay, another tip that I like to do when I do have a dramatic lip color is to put my hair up. Because my hair is black, I feel like it definitely does close off my face. So bold lips and high buns are definitely my type of fall vibe. So yeah, comment down below what you guys think of this look. Thank you all for watching, and I catch you guys on the next one. Love you, prima donnas, and until next time, bye.